Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath it is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. A silk beige MB Tex interior with a burl walnut trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Full down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system. Heated seats. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Media display. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for our media display. Cup holders. Turn wheel for infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 34,479 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.